Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Beauty Forever Bye Bye Knots Light Yaki Straight Glueless Wig, a human hair wig designed to be pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached for a no-fuss, easy-to-wear experience. This 28-inch wig offers a sleek, Yaki straight texture and promises a natural, full look with invisible knots. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned wig wearer, this could be the go-to option for effortless, stylish hair. Let's dive into the details. The Beauty Forever Bye Bye Knots wig is crafted from 100% high-quality human hair, designed for those who want a natural, fuller look without the hassle of customization. This wig features a Yaki straight texture, which mimics the look of relaxed or naturally straight hair, giving it a realistic, smooth appearance that's easy to manage and style. One of the standout features of this wig is its 7x5 lace closure, offering a wider parting space for more versatile styling and a more natural look. Plus, the lace itself is breathable and soft, ensuring comfort throughout the day. As for installation, this wig is a breeze to put on thanks to the pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached lace. The pre-plucked hairline helps create a seamless, natural appearance right out of the box. The pre-bleached knots reduce the appearance of those telltale lace wig lines, and with no need for cutting or customization, you can literally put it on and go. The glueless design is ideal for those who want the ease of wearing a wig without the fuss of adhesive or tape. Now let's talk about my experience with the wig. I tested this wig over a few days, wearing it both casually and for more dressed-up occasions. The application was incredibly easy, literally just putting it on and adjusting it to my desired look. The texture is smooth and looks very realistic, with the Yaki straight style blending seamlessly with my natural hairline. It's lightweight and comfortable, with no itching or discomfort from the lace, even after wearing it for several hours. One of the real highlights for me was the 7x5 lace closure. It provided plenty of space for different parting styles, and the lace itself was so breathable that I hardly felt like I was wearing a wig at all. This added to the overall comfort, especially for all-day wear. However, I did notice that while the wig is glueless and easy to apply, it's crucial to make sure it's positioned properly on your scalp for the most natural look. For those new to wigs, it might take a bit of practice to ensure it's perfectly aligned, but once that's done, it's smooth sailing. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. Pre-plucked and pre-cut lace make for easy, natural application, no customization required. Pre-bleached knots reduce the appearance of lace, offering a more seamless blend with your scalp. 7x5 lace closure gives plenty of room for versatile styling. Comfortable, breathable lace, which makes it great for extended wear. High-quality human hair with a realistic Yaki texture, blending well with natural hair. Cons. The glueless nature of the wig requires careful placement to ensure it stays in place throughout the day. The 28-inch length might be a bit long for those who prefer a more subtle look, though this can be a personal style preference. Although the lace is comfortable, it may not be as durable as some other lace types for long-term wear, so it's important to care for it properly to avoid wear and tear. Value for money? In terms of value, this wig is definitely on the higher end of the price scale, but it's not without merit. The fact that it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached saves you time and effort, which adds a lot of convenience for beginners or anyone who wants an easy-to-wear option. Plus, it's made with 100% human hair, which typically lasts longer than synthetic alternatives. If you're looking for a high-quality wig that can offer both style and convenience, this one is certainly a contender. If you're in the market for a more affordable option, there are plenty of synthetic wigs with similar textures, though they won't have the same longevity or realistic look as human hair wigs. For instance, brands like Outre or Free Tress offer budget-friendly synthetic options that mimic a Yaki texture. While they won't last as long as human hair wigs, they can provide a similar look at a fraction of the cost. Final verdict: the Beauty Forever Bye Bye Knots Light Yaki Straight Glueless Wig is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an easy-to-apply, realistic-looking wig. Its pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and 7x5 lace closure set it apart in terms of both convenience and natural appearance. While the price is a bit high, it offers solid value for the quality and ease it provides, especially for beginners or those looking for a no-fuss wig solution. If you're after a wig that gives you a polished, professional look without the hassle, this could be a great fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.